And with the backing of internet giant Google, the sky may be the limit.
Yeah, 7 Action News reporter Julie Bonovich shows us how downtown's new Madison block is becoming a magnet for entrepreneurs looking to make it big.
When Travis Johnson started his company, FoodJunkie.com 4 months ago, Detroit is one of the last places he thought he would end up.
It has been a better choice than I ever could imagine.
Johnson moved from Chicago to base his online ordering company here in the Motor City, in a building on the newly coined Madison Block.
It's been an amazing boon for the business.
The Madison Block is an entire block of buildings by Grand Circus Park that make up a hub for technology-based startups like Johnson's company.
The PR that I've been getting has been great, the people that I've been talking to has been great, and the customers have been wonderful, and the restaurants to work with have been great.
Johnson got recruited by Dan Gilbert's company, Bizdom. Bizdom provides startups with the resources they need, says Executive Director Ross Sanders.
They get an investment of up to $125,000 to get the business up and off to the ground. We give them 3 months of full-time mentorship and training to assist with the business. We provide them with 3 months of collaborative workspace, and we provide them the opportunity to pitch for follow-on funding.
In exchange, Bizdom receives an 8% share of ownership in the business. But the positive catch, they're nonprofit.
Any proceeds we get from these businesses get channeled back into future businesses born out of Bizdom.
Today, Bizdom and the rest of the Detroit Venture Partners announced a new partnership with Google for Entrepreneurs. They hope having Google on the block will help the area explode and make Detroit one of the most sought-after technology hotspots in the country and attract more companies like Johnson's.
It's been amazing.
From the Madison Block, Julie Bonovich, 7 Action News.
Good thing. You know what else would attract a whole lot of people here to the Detroit area?